So in this video, we're going to talk about circle theorems. Alright, so we have a circle with an angle that is missing. It's called an angle inside the circle theorem, where it states that to find the angle inside, which is an intersection of the two chords, you are going to add the two intercepted arcs and divide the total by 2. So 80 plus 25 divided by 2 will give you 52.5 degrees. That means the unknown angle inside the circle is 52.5 degrees. Now, if the angle is outside the circle, so there is a theorem that what we call angle outside the circle theorem, where the idea is to get this angle, you have to subtract the two measures of the intercepted arcs. So the major arc 113 degrees minus the smaller arc, which is 22 degrees, and then divide the difference by 2. So it will give you 45.5 degrees. Another theorem of a circle is when the two angles formed by four different chords, and they have a common intercepted arc, their angle measure is always equal. So this missing angle is also 30 degrees. Another theorem of a circle is if there is two tangents of a circle that is intersecting, and the first tangent line is having a length, then it is congruent to the other tangent line that is intersecting the prior tangent line. So this unknown measure is also 15 meters. Another theorem of a circle is the measure of its central angle. Its idea is the measure of the central angle is the same as its measure of its intercepted arc. So in this given, the intercepted arc of the central angle is 98 degrees. And so this central angle measure is also 98 degrees. Now, if the angle is not a central angle, that means its vertex is not on the center, but it's on the circle, then the measure, according to its theorem, the measure of its angle is half of the measure of its intercepted arc. So in this case, this angle is just half of 140 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. Now, another theorem is if a central angle is having the same intercepted arc with an inscribed angle, then the idea is the measure of the central angle is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. So in this case, the given inscribed angle is 50 degrees, and so we are going to multiply it by 2 to get the central angle, which is 2 times 50 is 100 degrees. Another theorem of a circle is if there are two inscribed angles and they're having the same endpoints, which are having opposing angles, then the two angles, opposing angles, are supplementary. So that means the total angle is 180 degrees. So to know the angle of this, we are going to subtract 180 by 130. So 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. So the angle measure of the unknown angle is 50 degrees. Another theorem of a circle is if a chord is intercepted by a radius and they form 90-degree angle, that means they are perpendicular to each other, then that means the chord is bisected by the radius. It means it is exactly cut into half. So if the other half is 5 inches, that means the unknown measure is also 5 inches. Now the last theorem of a circle that we will tackle is if there is a tangent line of a circle. So by the way, tangent line is a line that touches exactly one point of a circle and then it intersects a radius. So what is their angle formed? The angle formed by the radius and the tangent line is always 90 degrees. That means the radius and a tangent line will always be perpendicular when they intersect in a circle.